Hello, hello, and come on and talk to me while I'm out here working in my garden. So today is a very exciting day because we know we put in all of our labors of love in our gardens because we want to harvest, and today is going to be one of the harvesting days. So you see this beautiful romaine lettuce right here next to me? It's time for me to remain calm and go ahead and participate in the cut and come back harvesting method, because if you did not know, certain leafy vegetables you can harvest it multiple times throughout the time that it is planted. So because I planted this now, I'm going to say summertime harvest. So what we basically do is we make sure that we do not bother the crown, and of course I'm gonna bring y'all with me and get you in close, but I'm just going to explain it real quick. We leave the crown alone, but we're going to cut off all these mature leaves that you see around, and of course gonna have us a good old salad. So come on, work with me, harvest with me. This one snapped off of me. Righty, so as you can see, I went ahead and clipped leaves from down here. You clip it close, but not, all the way to that main stem, because you want it to continue to grow and be able to carry nutrients so your crop can still produce. This piece right here where you see all like the new leaves and where they're kind of circular, that is considered to be the crown. So by all means, you can thin it more. I just wanted enough for a nice little, morning salad. But you want to make sure that you always leave the crown be. So let the crown stay on top, being all royal and whatnot, but leave the crown alone. If you destroy the crown, then it will not, that's basically your new life for your plant. So if you destroy that, you already know you're destroying a new life of the plant. All right, so as you can see, it's still pretty full, and I'm loving that. But yeah, so this is the cut and come back. Remember, that's the crown. You can get all the mature leaves on the outskirts. Now, some of the leaves I chose to leave alone because, once again, I just wanted a little morning salad. But in addition to that, if they were not as big as the ones here that I harvested, I left them alone, let them grow a little bit. I got time. I only got one mouth and one stomach, and quite honestly, with what I have harvested, I think this is enough for a salad for me and my mother, so I can surprise her with a morning salad. Let's see if some cucumbers and some tomatoes and radishes are done, and then it can be a whole thing. So hope you enjoy. Catch you next time.